Okay, so we forming up the wood. Yesterday, you didn't see this. You saw the elevated pit. Got to dig this out a little bit more. Rebars in. But we got the form boards up, string lines. It's very important. Running the wood. Guys putting all the wood in. And all this area here is going to be rebar. It's like 2 cages. So you imagine what we got going on here. String line here. So we're looking pretty good. Got a laser always working. That's the laser over there. That continuous beat means where we got to go. That continuous beat. So over here, everywhere I'm walking at is going to be concrete, basically. So the forms are coming around here. Guy building the forms right there. And show you how deep this is. Hold on 1 second. See this cage right here? I can walk on it, which I am. See? Look at that right there. All this is going to be poured. I'm literally walking on it. You can't really see it. But see my booth right here? I'm on it. And then you got the pilings here. I think the deepest one was like 90 feet. 90 feet before we got to the coral, right? So that means that some of these pilings are 90 feet in the ground. I think we had one, I think the shortest one was like 18 to 20 feet. So that goes to show you what kind of material we have underneath. Alright, this is what we do. Keep watching, keep learning. It's your boy Darmac Builders. Make sure you subscribe to that. Hit the subscribe button, the like button, share. Keep watching. Ooh, Mother Nature. Peace.